Want to make money online? You can. One way is with Amazon Associates. It's called affiliate marketing. You share products you love, people buy them, you earn money. It's that simple. Let's get started. This could be you. Making money online is possible. With Amazon Associates, you can turn your passion into profit. It's a great way to earn extra cash or even build a full-time income. First, go to the Amazon Associates website. Click Join Now for free. You'll need an Amazon account. Don't have one? Creating one is easy. Follow the steps. Then tell Amazon about your website or social media. See? It's super easy to join. Amazon makes the process simple and straightforward. Once you're approved, you can start earning right away. What are you passionate about? Books, gadgets, makeup? That's your niche. Choose products you love and know a lot about. Think about your audience. What do they need? What problems can you solve for them? Finding your niche is key to success. When you're passionate about what you're promoting, it shows. And when you provide value to your audience, they're more likely to trust your recommendations. Section 4. Get your links. Share and earn. Alright, let's get started. This section will guide you through the simple steps to start sharing and earning with Amazon Associates. First, log into your Amazon Associates dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, search for a product you want to share. Think about what your audience would love. Click on the product to get more details. Now, click on the Get Link button. You will see options to choose either a text link or an image link. Select the one that best fits your sharing platform. Copy the link provided. You can paste this link on your blog, social media, or any platform where you engage with your audience. The more you share, the more you can earn. See how simple it is? Sharing links is a great way to monetize your content and provide value to your followers. Amazon makes it super easy to find and share your unique affiliate links. The dashboard is user-friendly and offers various tools to help you track your performance. Just a few clicks and you're ready to start earning. Monitor your earnings and optimize your strategy to maximize your income. Happy sharing and earning. Section 5. Where to share. Spread the word. Share your links everywhere. The key to success is visibility. Put them on your website, making sure they are prominently displayed. Blog about them, or share them on your social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Share them in emails to your subscribers or in online communities where people discuss related topics. Be creative. The more you share, the more chances you have to earn. Each share is an opportunity to reach a new audience. Don't be afraid to get the word out. Use videos, infographics, and engaging posts to capture attention. The more people you reach with your affiliate links, the better. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and build a community around your content. The higher your chances of earning commissions. Track your progress, and adjust your strategies based on what works best. Be strategic and share in places where your target audience hangs out. Understand their interests and tailor your content to meet their needs. This way, you can maximize your reach and impact. Section 6. Earn money. Commissions made simple. In this section, we'll break down how you can start earning money through commissions in a straightforward and effective way. When someone clicks your link and buys something, you earn money. It's a simple process that can be incredibly rewarding. Imagine sharing a product you love and getting paid for it. The commission varies by product category. Different products offer different rates, so it's important to know which categories are the most profitable. It can be anywhere from 1% to 10%. High-ticket items might offer lower percentages, but the payout can still be substantial. The more people buy, the more you earn. Your earnings can grow exponentially as more customers make purchases through your links. It's as simple as that. You don't need any special skills or experience to get started. Just share your unique links and watch your earnings grow. You're earning passive income just by sharing products you love. This means you can make money even while you sleep, as long as people are clicking your links and making purchases. The more effort you put into promoting your links, the more you can potentially earn. Utilize social media, blogs, and other platforms to maximize your reach. Good luck and happy earning.